Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Monday morning. It's the 7th day of October. I'm smiling this morning because this is the day that the cool front will be moving through the state of Alabama. You know, we've only been talking about it for 10 days in a row now, but I'm not too excited about the rainfall amounts. There is a band of showers out ahead of it, but maybe that band of showers might fall apart before it gets into central and south Alabama. We'll see. More on the rainfall amounts in just a moment. But it will bring stage one of nicer air. By that I mean much more comfortable air in the week ahead. Great weather for the fair this week. And there's a second cold front at the end of the week that I'm even more excited about. Wait till you see some of the numbers behind that front. Let's get into the details this morning. This is where the cool front should be right at dawn, moving into extreme northwest Alabama with a nice little band of showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it that we hope will hold together. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the front is in north central Alabama, heading southward towards Montgomery and into south Alabama, hopefully with some showers left over. 7 o'clock, the front is in southeast Alabama, not many showers left, and drier air coming into the northern counties. This is future radar. It's not very encouraging. It shows the showers and thunderstorms looking pretty good up through about Birmingham and Clanton, and then kind of falling apart as it gets into central and south Alabama, with maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch, or actually a couple of tenths of an inch of rain in central and south Alabama or less. That's one model. Here's another model which shows even less, just a couple of hundredths of an inch of rain, perhaps, in parts of central and southeast Alabama. So I'm not real optimistic on the rainfall. Hopefully, your town will get a nice downpour. Afternoon showers and storms, high of 88, tonight's low 65, wind shifting to the northwest behind the front. Then tomorrow, the front has made it all the way down to almost Tampa. There could be an isolated leftover shower. I'll leave in a small rain chance for Tuesday, but nice day, comfortable air coming in beginning tomorrow and continuing on Wednesday. And I think Thursday is going to be another great day. Good weather for the fair this week. Much more comfortable, easier to handle. Then a second cold front approaching on Friday with maybe a few showers out ahead of it on Friday. And then breezy and cooler back behind the front on Saturday. And this is the real deal kind of cool. I mean, we're talking about a significant cool down, much more than the first stage. So the first stage is the cold front today. The second stage is the cold front over the upcoming weekend. So keep your fingers crossed. We'll hang on to a small 15% chance of rain on Tuesday. But look at that, highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, a nice change, very comfortable, lower humidity. Then Friday, maybe some showers out ahead of that second cold front, and then much cooler air as we get into the weekend. Look at some of the raw numbers from the GFS. It even prints some 70s. Don't take that literally. And it prints some lower 50s at night, maybe even some upper 40s. I think that's a little too extreme, but you get the idea that it's going to turn cooler behind that second front. Out in the tropics, we have two areas to watch out in the Atlantic. One with a 50% chance of development, one off the U.S. East Coast with a 30% chance of development, but no threat to the United States from either of these systems, and the Gulf is quiet right now. Yeah, so wouldn't that be nice? Two cold fronts this week, and especially the second one, I think, which would deliver for next weekend some spectacular air. But we'll take this first stage as well. That's going to be nice. Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1. Greg J. Emily, meteorologist Ryan Stinnett, and I talk weather on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. We'll be talking about this frontal passage at 5:50 a.m. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And you know the deal. Whenever you're out and about, across the dial on 8 radio stations twice an hour, that's where you'll find my forecast. Have a great day today. Let's hope we get a little bit of rain. I'll see you later.